Okay, for this week you need to submit the video that you find on YouTube down to this post. So I'm going to show you really quick how to embed the YouTube video to the forum. So you'll go to YouTube, you will search for the video that you want. So after you find your video, let's use this one for example. You will click share. Go up here to the brackets where it says embedded, copy that code, go back to the forum, you're going to hit reply to the original post, and that will take you to this screen. And if you don't have this full menu here, you can click up this button to expand. So you'll click the brackets again, you will paste your code into here, click update, and here you have a it'll show you your video, and then you will add your description down below along with everything else that you need to type out about the video, and then click post to forum.